bring joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lord. Wish you many, many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ma! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ante. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi, Ate Honor. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Honor. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie Honor! Happy 41st birthday to you. Hope that you have many, many more birthdays to come into your life.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I'm so blessed to have you as a part of my family. May your day be filled with everything and everyone you love.
Hi, I just wanted to say happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day. This is our surprise for you and I just want to personally thank you for everything you have done for our family.
Sa akong kinakusgan nga higala nga si Honor. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Bye. Have fun.
Happy birthday sa akong amiga nga si Honor.
Happy birthday, Nor. Manghinaot ko katagaan ka permig may lawas. Nya, gwapo lang sa permi. Once again, happy birthday.
Nor,
God bless,
God bless you always. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
I love you, Ma. Happy birthday.
Birthday ma, thank you for second mother on me. O salamat sa tanan-tanan sa imong pagkabuotan namo. We love you.
Happy birthday. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Honor! Salamat sa tanan. Sana di unta ka magbago. I love you!
Happy birthday! Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you sa tanan. I love you.
Hi, Nor. Happy birthday, Nor. Taas pa ang katuigan o hatagan ka og maayong panglawas. Happy birthday, Nor. Hi, Day! Happy birthday! Sinaot nga magmalipayon ka sa imong birthday. Happy birthday. I love you. Hi, Nor. Salamat sa Ginoo napaabot ka sa imong birthday.
Hi, Nor. Happy birthday! Akong giampo sa Ginoo nga sana tagaan pa ka og daghan pa ka tuigan nga mabot sa imong kinabuhi.
Happy birthday, Ate Honor. Thank you for everything.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to good. something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to